But this one, being used by a battery firm, is an electric car with a difference. Mr. Hudson, what's different about this particular electric car?
This car's got a solar energy panel fitted on the roof, which converts the sun's rays into electrical power. And we use the power this provides to charge up an additional battery, which we have in the boot here. And from this battery, we work the lights, indicators, and the other ancillary equipment on the car. In this way, we can conserve all the power of the 4 traction batteries that are fitted for actually driving the vehicle on the road.
What sort of performance and range does this give you?
With the batteries which we've got fitted in it, which aren't the correct traction batteries, we can get about 20 miles radius and about a maximum of about 40 miles an hour.
So if you had bigger heavy-duty batteries, what would that give you?
Well, it would give us a marginal increase on range, probably up to about 28 miles or something like that. But the speed is controlled by the voltage, and therefore we're stuck with 40 miles an hour.
What's it like to drive?
I suppose a cross between a Dodgeman and a mini car.
What do you see as the future of this particular type of electric car?
I'm sure electric cars can be used for commuting, given a little improvement in battery technology, which is the hold-up at the moment. But here again, there's always going to be this range limit. It's never going to take over from the petrol car.
But even with your solar piece of equipment on the top?
Yes, that's really only to overcome one small defect we've found, where the lights were dimming when the batteries of the traction batteries got low. The rear lights dimmed, and by having an additional battery we could overcome this effect.
Now, what about cost?
Very difficult to assess. When these cars were built in 1967, the company had hoped to make them for about £400. They failed, and in fact I would suspect that any electric car to build now would cost nearer 2,000.